Did you know God once showed a prophet something that seemed impossible? The prophet Ezekiel found himself standing in a huge valley, but this wasn't any ordinary place. The ground was covered with old dry bones, thousands and thousands of them. They had been there so long, they were completely white. God asked Ezekiel a strange question. Can these bones live again? Ezekiel was smart. He said, "Only you know the answer, God." Then God told Ezekiel to talk to the bones. As Ezekiel spoke, something amazing happened. The bones started moving and clicking together, arms connected to shoulders, legs attached to hips, then muscles and skin appeared on all the skeletons, but they still weren't alive. So God told Ezekiel to call for breath to come. Suddenly, all the bodies took their first breath and stood up like a mighty army. God explained that sometimes we feel hopeless, like those dry bones, but nothing is too broken for God to fix. He can bring new life to any situation. Please subscribe for more.